I'm happy to die because I lived my life without wasting even a minute of it on anything unpleasing to God. Hello friends, welcome back to Signature Turned Autograph. I hope you all are well and safe. So let's start with today's story. In this video, I'm going to tell you all the story about that saint who is best known for documenting Eucharistic miracles around the world and cataloging them onto a website. Yes, he is no other than first millennial saint Carlo Acutis. So let's start. Carlo Acutis was born in London on 3rd May 1991 to a wealthy Italian family. His parents were not so religious. By the time Carlo was born, his mother Antonia had been to church only 3 times in her life. The day she was baptized, confirmed and married. In 1995, when Acutis was 4 years old, his maternal grandfather died and was said to have appeared to him in a dream asking to be prayed for. By the age of 7, he received his first Holy Communion, and from that day, he never missed the daily Holy Mass. He always paused before the tabernacle to adore the Lord, and he never failed to honor Our Lady by reciting the Holy Rosary every day. From the time he was 11, he taught catechism in the church. To make faith practical, he made a holiness kit for them that involved 9 steps that he himself practiced. That is, to love God with all your heart, each day to try to go to Mass and receive communion, pray the Rosary, read a passage of sacred scripture, make a visit to Jesus in the tabernacle each day, to go to confession once a week, to help others as often as you can, and to rely on your guardian angel as your best friend. He was like other teenagers who liked to watch films, comic editing, and playing PlayStation, but it was always within limits. What makes him unique from other teenagers is that he protected his classmates from being bullied, invited to his home kids who were suffering because of their parents' divorce or domestic problems, tutored classmates who were struggling with homework or computer problems, patiently rescued friends experimenting with drugs or addicted to pornography, spent time with elderly helping them with tasks, hunted for litter in parks or on the beach to beautify the world, brought warm drinks and food to the homeless and used his allowance to buy them sleeping bags or warm clothes. Life is a gift, he said, because as long as we are on earth, we can increase our level of love. Acutis took care of websites for local Catholic organizations and also created some of his own. Acutis applied himself to creating a website dedicated to cataloging each reported Eucharistic miracle in the world. He completed this in 2005, having started compiling the catalog at the age of 11. It was on the website that he said, "The more Eucharistic we receive, the more we will become like Jesus, so that on this earth we will have a foretaste of heaven." The following year, he was diagnosed with leukemia, also called as blood cancer. But he offered his suffering for Pope Benedict XVI and for the Catholic Church, saying, "I offer all the suffering I will have to undergo for the Lord, for the Pope and the Church." He had asked his parents to take him on pilgrimages to the sites of all the known Eucharistic miracles in the world, but his declining health prevented this from happening. The doctors treating his final illness had asked him if he was in great pain, to which he responded that, "There are people who suffer much more than me." He died on 12 October 2006 at the age of 15 and was buried in Assisi in accordance with his wishes. Then started his process of beatification, and on 14 November 2019, the Vatican's Medical Council expressed a positive opinion about a miracle in Brazil attributed to Acutis' intercession. Luciana Viana had taken her son Matheus, who was born with a pancreatic defect that made eating difficult, to a prayer service. Beforehand, Viana had already prayed a novena asking for the teenager Acutis' intercession. Immediately following the service, Matheus told his mother that he felt healed and asked for solid food when he came home. Until then, he had been on all liquid diet. After a detailed investigation, Pope Francis confirmed the miracle's authenticity on 21st February 2020, leading to Acutis beatification. Acutis' mother Antonia is said to attribute to his intercession the fact that at the age of 44, she gave birth to twins, born exactly 4 years later to the day after his death. Following the Catholic Church's recognition of a miracle in 2020, attributed to Acutis, Antonia told the press that a son had appeared to her in dreams, saying that he will not only be beatified but also be canonized as a saint in the future. Within a month of the official order, the beatification ceremony was postponed due to COVID-19 pandemic in Italy, during which the country was placed on lockdown. It was rescheduled for 10th October 2020 and was held in the upper church of the Basilica of St. Francis of Assisi, in Assisi, Italy, with Cardinal Agostino Vallini presiding on the Pope's behalf. I would like to end this video with one of his popular sayings. All people are born as originals, but many die as photocopies.